Yung entrepreneurship is all about anxiety. So, you're always worried. Although, hindi ka naman magsistick with the anxiety kung hindi siya masaya. Kumbaga kung hindi rewarding yung nangyayari, hindi rin okay yung kaba eh. Di ba? Parang gano'n. Nag-start yung D&D, I was out of college. And then, as all, syempre lahat ng mga bata medyo lost of looking for your place in the world, naghanap ka ng thing to do. Luckily enough, yung dad ko medyo connected siya sa manufacturing side of things. He knew somebody who, from the garment industry, parang he got relocated to a job sa guitar factory sa China. So, after that, nagkaroon ng opportunity kasi he had some samples that he sent over to us. I guess medyo entrepreneurial spirited yung family namin, being of Chinese background, you'd say. I decided to kind of maybe do something. Maybe I saw something in that product that called me. Maybe I saw that I could make something out of myself through that instrument. Technically, the first one, yung DC1, that it's more of a, how do you say, para siyang ang tawag doon, general release. Yun yung idea, di ba? Parang ganyan. Eh, syempre, guitar, being a fan of OPM, unang guitar hero na naisip ko, syempre si Manuel, di ba? Yun yung una, ML1. And then, from there, contacted sila Barbie. Actually, Barbie was the first endorser. Pero una lumabas yung ML1 na guitar. So yeah, further down the line, Parokya, we approached them. Si Gab and Dar. And then, after nun, Sandwich. From Sandwich, yun medyo nag-spread yung reach. Kasi alam mo naman yung mga taga-Sandwich. Alam mo, they introduce you to people, ganun, they recommend, ganun. Okay din. So yun, from Sandwich, actually yung plano namin una si Rames. And then sabi ni Rames, kung gagawa mo kami, gawa mo rin si Mong and si Diego and si Map. So okay, no problem. And then after nun, Typecast. And then Queso, and then Kazi. I mean, anytime na we get to work with an artist, for me, parang glory moment siya. The fact na kausap mo na siya, you're discussing anything together, that's it for me. Parang di mo alam minsan kung, I mean, syempre nerve-wracking, tapos parang minsan kakabahan ka talaga. Syempre, idol mo yun, di ba? Pero I guess at the root of it all, yun yung reason kung bakit ayaw ko mag-fail. Kasi parang, syempre ayaw mo i-fail yung idols mo, di ba? So yun yung number one thing, na being a fan of music and being a fan of, I guess, yung pop culture or zeitgeist in general, na parang yung excellence kasi parang malaking bagay. What brings things to the forefront is being good. Unless pwede rin yung being bad. Pero I mean, yung mas maganda yung being excellent. Diba? I'd say anxiety. Parang, yun nga sabi nila, parang hindi ka, yung entrepreneurship is all about anxiety. So, you're always worried about kung ano inisip ng artist, worried about ano inisip ng supplier, worried about ano inisip ng customer mo, also your employees. So, parang, yun, I guess, it's a whole lot of worrying. Although, hindi ka naman magsistick with the anxiety kung hindi siya masaya. Kumbaga kung hindi rewarding yung nangyayari, hindi rin okay yung kaba eh. Diba? Parang gano'n. Parang performance, diba? Sa stage, parang sobrang kaba. Pero after, sarap nun eh. Ulit-ulit, parang gano'n, ulit-ulit. Sana yung products rin ng D&D, someday, maging international. And in that sense, parang yung Filipino musician naman yung nakikita natin sa mga billboard or kung ano man kaysa yung parang puro sa ibang country.